Want to know how to install Kimi AI on your phone, your Android or your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser, or you can just simply scan the QR code from the web browser itself and download it. Next thing, what you can also do is you can just simply head towards the Play Store right here. Just simply select Play Store, and now once I've selected that, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So now just simply towards the search bar and then type in Kimi AI. So once I've selected that, it should show something like this right here. So you can just simply select it for more information. And now here right here you should be seeing installation options, where you can just simply scroll down to see reviews and much more. And here you should be seeing install on top right here. So now once you have selected install, here you should be seeing the installation is going on. Now as the installation goes on, you can see the reviews, its latest update and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.